Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check Instagram login devices on iPhone. So if you want to check your login devices on your iPhone via Instagram, you want to check out how many devices that have access to your Instagram account with or without your password, then here's a quick one for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check my Instagram login device on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. So just go ahead and open the Instagram app. Once you open the Instagram app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the menu icon at the top right. On selecting that, you want to click on Account Center. Now, under Account Center, locate and click on Password and Security. Then come to Security Check and see where you are logged in. If you found this, click on that. Then once you are here, click on either of this. So if you have more than one device there, just go ahead and click on it. Then you can see I have my Instagram account logged in on my Samsung Galaxy 54. I have it logged in on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have it logged in on my Linux computer, and then like that. So if you have any of this and you want to remove them, just go ahead and select device to log out. Then select device you want to log out and then click on log out. You can even choose select all, click on log out, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to find or check my login device on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.